These notes are just effortless for him. What is going on? What has he been in? I need to know. In this video, I'm gonna break down, react, and review the West End cast of Heathers singing 17. So let's sing something. La la la. Ooh, it's live.
We're damaged, really damaged,
Ooh.
but that does not make us wise. We're not special, we're not different, we don't choose who lives or dies. Let's be normal, see bad movies, sneak a
That was a
beer
nice
and
break
watch
there.
TV. We'll bake brownies or go bowling. Don't you want a life with me? Can't we be 17?
That was beautiful how she started off really direct. And if you're going for that really direct sound, she's picking a point across the room, which happens to be him, and she's sending every single note directly to him. And this creates that aggravation and that direct contact that she just had there.
That's all
Now she's softening it up. Like, love me.
If you could let me in, I could be good with you. People hurt us,
Or they vanish.
and you're right,
Ooh.
that really blows. But we let go,
Take a deep breath.
go buy
Oh!
some summer clothes.
Ooh!
We'll go camping,
Play some poker.
and
That's
we'll
nice.
eat some chili fries. Maybe prom night.
Maybe dancing.
Don't stop looking in my eyes.
Nice.
Can we be 17?
Oh, she's reaching for him.
Is that so hard to do?
These notes are just effortless for him. What is going on? What has he been in? I need to know. He's just relaxed. He's just chilling. Don't mind me. I'm just doing this beautiful mixed belt, you know, just hanging out.
If you could let me
If you could let, that's a big jump.
let us be 17. If we still got the
Every note that they're singing is nice and open and up and down place. It's really oval. 17, not 17. This creates more space in your throat, so that way the vocal cords can kind of like stretch and do what they need to do. Oh, and did I mention I've done several other Heathers videos, and I will be sure to link them down below so you can binge watch. Yay! It's like he doesn't really want to touch her. Do you see his hand? Do you see his hand? I don't know what that's about, but I feel like she has so much chemistry for him, and I'm not feeling it on the other end. Is this a character choice thing? You know?
Do you like to sing? Then you should join my Facebook group. We go live with vocal warm-ups, singing Saturdays, warm-up Wednesdays, and even our monthly group challenge with all sorts of prizes. Click the link in the description below and join our creative community of singers just like you.
I don't know, you guys. Nice high harmony. Like she's all on him, and he's kind of like,
Yeah, we're damaged,
Badly damaged.
but your love's too good to lose.
it's a good song.
Tighter,
Even closer.
I'll stay if I'm what you choose.
Yes, she tells him.
Can we be 17?
If
He's so
I am
gentle.
what you choose.
And she's a little more aggressive.
If we still got the
'Cause you're the one I choose.
You're the one I choose.
Oh, he's so good.
You're the one I
See, he's not touching her? Why? Ooh, nice straight tone with the end on vibrato. this song. Go ahead and click here for my free downloadable cheat sheet on how to sing like the cast of Heathers. Click here for all my musical theater related reaction reviews. And if you're a singer, come hang out with me in my Facebook group. The link's down below, and I will see you in the next song. La la la.